Absorb LMS Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Absorb LMS Learning Management System Review. Links to the product are provided in the description if you'd like to explore further. Absorb LMS is a modern, cloud-based learning platform designed for organizations of all sizes to deliver engaging, effective training to employees, partners, and customers. Its intuitive interface, scalability, and robust feature set make it a favorite among businesses looking to elevate their learning and development programs. A standout feature of Absorb LMS is its user-centric design. The interface is clean and easy to navigate for both administrators and learners, minimizing the learning curve. Content creation is simplified with support for SCORM, XAPI, and video, alongside tools for building custom courses. Additionally, the system integrates seamlessly with third-party platforms like Salesforce, Zoom, and HRIS software, ensuring it fits effortlessly into your existing ecosystem. Engagement tools are where Absorb LMS really shines. The platform includes gamification features such as badges, leaderboards, and certificates to keep learners motivated. Personalized learning paths allow organizations to tailor content to specific roles or goals, while advanced search functionality ensures learners can quickly find the resources they need. Mobile compatibility ensures uninterrupted access across devices, so learning can happen anytime, anywhere. From an administrative perspective, Absorb LMS offers powerful analytics and reporting tools. Administrators can track learner progress, course completions, and overall training ROI through customizable dashboards. Automation capabilities streamline tasks like enrollment, notifications, and compliance tracking, saving time and reducing manual effort. Absorb LMS is built for scalability, making it suitable for small businesses and large enterprises alike. Its flexibility caters to various industries, including healthcare, finance, and technology. The platform also supports e-commerce, allowing organizations to monetize their training programs. While Absorb LMS is feature-rich, smaller teams might find the breadth of tools more than necessary. However, for organizations aiming to create a high-impact learning environment, it's an outstanding choice. In summary, Absorb LMS combines ease of use, scalability, and robust features to deliver a top-tier learning experience. Check the links in the description to see if Absorb LMS is the right fit for your needs.